Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh boy, this cat got himself trapped in that bowl. It's just me, or you guys also think this man looks like Steve Harvey?
Man, everybody on FaceTime talking about you like Steve Harvey. Hey. Look, y'all really think he look like Steve Harvey? Huh? Hey, what's wrong with you? Huh?
This is why monkeys are one of the most romantic animal. This would what happened if Ronaldo was a female news reporter.
RS. A Stojkoviću želim ovakvu odbranu večeras. Ja sam Sara.
Hush! Huh? Huh? Huh?
I don't know from which country this is, but all the people in motorcycle are really dumb. This guy shows exactly how to deal with a woman who is not nice to other people.
Why?
I live here and I don't think I've ever seen you.
Why is that? Why is that an issue? I'm confused. Why is that an issue?
Because I don't feel safe.
You don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. You coming up to me and asking me all these questions, interrogating me.
Sidewalk.
Huh?
This is my sidewalk.
This is your sidewalk.
this is
Oh,
mine.
this is actually private. This is private property.
This is mine. And I've never
Guys,
seen
this
you
lady's
here.
fucking crazy right now.
I'm the crazy one?
Yeah. Look at you.
That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and thank you very much for watching.